guys, and we are back outside again on this Monday morning, 7:34 a.m. It's supposed to be 60 degrees today. It's a little cold right now, but I'm gonna keep this jacket on, or one of my hoodies on, whatever, this fleece, whatever you call this thing right here. It ain't a hoodie because it ain't got no hood. But anyway, so far we got an XL in the back that should be a huge, but I don't have time to argue with freaking Roadie today. And then we also have a huge order, which is 2 doors in the back. And we have an order, XL order up Marlboro, because this door is going up Marlboro, I believe. So we're gonna go pick up from that Home Depot. I'm trying to finish all of this before, let's say 9:50, the next drop, because I'm trying to head back towards my house to get the white van towed to the mechanic shop, because I'm gonna try to get that fixed today. The reason for that, because I went on ahead and sold my 2017 Dodge Caravan, guys. Yes, I only had it for 3 weeks. I crunched some numbers. I wasn't using it like that, guys. For January. And remember, I also work New Year's Day. So from 12 to, a lot of that money came from New Year's Day. I only made $848 using Lyft. I made over $1,000 using Empower, and the rest of that money was basically Roadie. Basically Roadie, guys. So I made a decision. I'm like, well, I could do Empower. Empower was doing amazing, was doing way better than Lyft down here. I could use Empower with my white van and just go ahead, sell my 2017, get my money back, which I did, and do something else with that money. So that's what I did. And I already know mostly this month I'm gonna be using Big L anyway, guys. Something about that ride share, guys. Except for Empower, in the morning you could average $40 an hour on Empower in the morning before the slowdown. Let's go with that. But that Lyft, guys, that Lyft is horrible, guys. It's horrible in my market. It's horrible. The surge don't go past $10 no more. It's horrible. And I just felt as though I'm not about to, tear this van up, this good driving van up, but I could just sell it, get my money back, and just keep it moving, So I'm gonna catch you at this drop. I do have my head mount, so let's go. Man, this guy got a whole axle on the back of his pickup truck that's not even secured. I'm trying to get from behind this guy, so if y'all can see that, got a whole axle on the back. He ain't got the thing strapped up or nothing, and he about to go up a hill. He got Virginia tags too. So for the people that's asking me about Virginia tags that's in Maryland and DC, all you have to do is go up there with your title. If you bought the vehicle off of somebody, you can print you out your own bill of sales, sign the bill of sales yourself, take it up there, and the tag's only gonna be $120. You don't have to have a Virginia license. You don't have to about to move to Virginia. They just allow that. They just allow that, guys. If you don't have no insurance, it's a $500 penalty. So make sure you guys have some type of insurance going up there. And yeah, but a lot of people with Virginia tags do not have insurance, because I think Virginia require it now, but Virginia at one point in time did not, well, I don't want to say one point in time because it's been a long time, did not require you to have insurance on your car, which is crazy. But yeah, so we got a little thing down here where we see a young guy or a young person with Virginia tags on there, 7 times out of 10, or 6 times out of 10, let's go with 6 times out of 10, they don't have no insurance on their car. And you don't want them to hit you, because they will run off. This the order right here, y'all. I ain't doing too much recording because I'm at a school, but just to show y'all the order. Okay, give y'all an update. I didn't get drop-off footage for the 2 doors, and my first XL, I was at a school, so I really don't record at schools. We do have a Senpex order that we about to go get after we drop off this XL that I already picked up from Marlboro. I will give a drop off footage for that one. But we do have a $34.50 Senpex order. It's 500 pounds altogether, and they just sent me a notification, see you running late. Look, Senpex, you guys are not the creme de la creme of apps, so just don't bother the drivers. They will get it when they can get it. It said as soon as possible, so I'm gonna get it as soon as possible after I drop off my XL order. I really don't even use Senpex because it seems like One Rail sends Senpex orders, orders that nobody's gonna take on Roadie, so Senpex will get it, and bug the driver to drop it off. Only app that I will accept that from is Dispatch, because Dispatch pay you enough money to lock you in for that order. So you got an option to accept it on Dispatch too. You got an option to accept it on Senpex too, but yeah, Senpex shouldn't act like they're Dispatch. Point blank period. Man, oh man. So this is our XL order right here. Easy money, easy money. Chris, you see I don't have the white chair in here no more, man. I do have to clean up that little bit of stuff over there. That's my tarp. That's a tire that could, I could throw away because that tire is bald. I don't know why that tire is in there. It's still a good rim on there though. Pop this right here. All right, my alarm for BJ is about to go off. All right, so here goes this Senpex order. Senpex not the best paying app. Once I get there, I'ma make them take this stuff out there self. But yeah, Senpex get over on you. They put all your stuff in a small format, so you really can't read what you're getting. I don't know why they changed the app like that, but yeah, this is not the best order I ever had. But the thing about this is it's gonna be curbside. I'm not walking it in the back of nobody's house or in their house or in their driveway. If their driveway not clear, then I'm not clear to unload the stuff. Sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do. This will put me at I believe 124. Still 9 o'clock right now. Well, a 9:50 drop just happened, so not bad, but not doing the best right now. It's all right though. It's all right. I did miss an opportunity to get another. What's going on? I don't even know if I got any change on me, man. There you go. No problem. Oh, let me get that. All right, man. You have a good day. Let me see. Yeah, but with this, it'll add up. Like I said, though, it's just not the best order to do. Mileage wise, it's cool. Work wise, loading up. I'm sliding this right off, so y'all see once I get to the stop, we gonna minus $1 because I just gave out $1. But other than that, let's try to get some money today. Alright, so not calling it quits, but for now I'm calling it quits because I gotta do some maintenance on this van. Boy, oh boy. So what's going on right now? Flat tire right there, and flat tire on the other side. It's just not starting. I'm thinking it's the fuel pump or the fuel relay. I'm gonna take it to the shop. It's just not starting right now. So it was pretty low on gas because I had let somebody use it. So I'm gonna put some more gas in there, see if it start. I do have a tow truck coming, but the tow truck taking its sweet time. When you got AAA, y'all, AAA do take their sweet time. So yeah, it's cheap, but you know, they're not in no type of rush to come get you. So I guess that's why AAA is so cheap. So let me go ahead and fill these tires up, and I guess I catch y'all back at the shop. Well, at the shop. All right, update. I just needed to put some more gas in it, and it turned right off. Wow. Wow, that's all I gotta say. So it's running. It is running. Check engine light on. But it is running and it's low on gas. So this is nuts.